First thing you're going to do, if you don't have the Pilot My Rewards Plus app, you can get this at no money, no cost on Google Play or App Store. When you get it, you can open it and you'll be brought to the screen like so, where you actually need to sign up or log in. If you continue as a guest, you can only view the locations and not get exclusive deals or discounts. And once here, you can simply add your rewards card if you have one, or if you don't have one yet, no problem. We can do this within the app or without using it at all. And you can basically choose if you're auto, RV, or a professional driver. And once you create your account, you actually will get an email that you need to complete your registration with to actually confirm your account's existence. Once doing this, you can actually see we can access the app like so, where you can actually pay using this app right here. You can see your Pilot balance. You can go to the home option in the middle of the screen to view a bunch of deals, exclusive offers, as well as fuel points. Click on rewards down here if you want to see different rewards such as shower points, drink points, share and earn, or other promo codes, discounts, and you can actually see the offers that you've claimed this year. And these are all coupon basically in the offers option, where you can click on the save if you want to use it when you go to their Pilot later. And you can see they actually all expire within a few days. They list the amount of days. The further you scroll down, the further the offer takes to expire. And you can click on the find option if you want to find pilots in your local area. This is basically an app to show you every pilot in the area, get exclusive discounts and deals, and especially on gas. You can actually load funds on this app, so you can actually scan a QR code to just pay for your Pilot rewards on this app. If you want to spin some of your saved offers that you might have clicked on save, like on the offers tab right here, all we're going to have to do is you want to go to the pay option here and click on the saved offers. In doing so, you can actually just click on any of these if you would like to use them in the store. And that's all you need to do to use this app really. It's just you can save a bunch of offers, spin them, load funds onto your account, and get discounts on gas. And of course, find a bunch of pilots in your local area.